In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a no reply email in Outlook. What we're doing here is creating a mail rule that automatically removes messages sent directly to that address, which can be useful if you want that inbox to function more like a no reply account. This setup is done inside Outlook settings, and the process is fairly quick once you know where everything is. To begin, open Outlook and make sure you're in your inbox or main mail view. From there, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This opens the panel where Outlook keeps its main customization and mail management options. Inside settings, look for the mail section, and under mail, click on rules. This is where Outlook lets you create automated behavior for incoming messages. Rules are helpful for organizing, filtering, moving, or deleting emails based on conditions you choose. Once you're in the rules area, click add rule. Outlook will open a new rule form for you to configure. Start by typing a rule name. Choose something clear and easy to recognize so you'll remember what this rule is for later. A simple descriptive name works best, especially if you end up creating multiple rules in your mailbox. Next, click on Select a Condition. This tells Outlook when the rule should be triggered. From the list of available conditions, choose I'm on the to line. This means the rule will apply to emails that are addressed directly to that mailbox, which is important for a no reply style setup. After that, click on Select an Action. This is where you decide what Outlook should do when an email matches the condition you just selected. From the action list, choose Permanent Delete. This tells Outlook to immediately remove those incoming messages instead of leaving them in the inbox. Before you save, take a moment to review the rule settings carefully. Since Permanent Delete removes messages without sending them to a regular folder for later review, you'll want to be sure the condition and action are exactly what you intended. When everything looks correct, click Save. Outlook will now apply this rule going forward. An email sent directly to that address will be automatically deleted based on the condition you set. If you ever need to change how it works, you can always return to the Rules section to edit, disable, or remove the rule. That's it. You've now set up a no reply style email rule in Outlook.